Hi Anna, how are you today?
Hi Nora, I'm feeling okay, but I'm pretty hungry.
Here, have a banana. I always have an extra one in my backpack for a snack, just in case.
Thank you. Hey, don't bananas grow really far from Portland?
They do. Let's take a journey to find out more about bananas. What do you say?
Sure, let's go.
Let's go. Vamos a Ecuador. Bananas are delicious on their own as a healthy snack, or in banana bread, and in smoothies. Step 1. The sun gives energy for plants to grow. Bananas need lots of sun. They grow in tropical and subtropical conditions with warm and wet weather and lots of moisture in the air. They like to grow in regions pretty close to the equator where it is hot and in lowlands near the coasts. Banana trees love well-drained, loamy soil that has lots of organic matter or nutrients from compost. They will turn the sunlight's energy into food, in a process you may have heard of called photosynthesis. This helps the banana plant to grow. Step 2. A farmer plants banana trees on a farm in Ecuador. New banana plants can grow from rhizomes, their fleshy roots beneath the soil, or from shoots, which look like stems with leaves, that can grow up to a foot high above the ground. I spoke with Casey Blake, a Peace Corps volunteer who has visited a banana farm in Machala, Ecuador. Casey says bulbs of banana plants are cleaned and planted throughout the large farm. Casey finds bananas very interesting. I found bananas even more interesting talking about them with Casey. They have a really complicated history and are one of the most commonly eaten foods. Millions upon millions of people eat bananas all around the world. Step 3. The banana trees grow on a farm in Ecuador. Around 10 to 17 months after planting, a banana plant produces a flower, sometimes called a banana flower, a banana heart, or an inflorescence. It grows from the middle of the leaves. So cool! The banana flower has many small white flowers which are covered by larger, thicker, rougher purple petals. The mud on the farm is quite stinky, but this is great. It means the soil the banana plants are growing in is full of nutrients, just how they like it. Casey shared with me that pretty much every part of the banana tree can be used. Banana leaves can be used for plates, wrapping or covering for food and other items, and they add nutrients to the soil when they fall to the ground. Have you ever eaten a food that was wrapped in, cooked, or served on banana leaves? Step 4. The bananas are harvested. Every day, farm workers are cutting bunches of bananas from the plant. They are using a long pole with a sharp edge to cut them down. It is no easy task. Some farms, like the one in Ecuador Casey visited, have a pulley system where the bananas are loaded onto hooks on a rope and are pulled into the cleaning and packing facility. Casey says the plastic bags help keep pests out. You might be wondering what happens to the banana flower. It is cut off and the leaves of the plant are allowed to fall to the ground. Here they will become a part of the soil, giving the soil more nutrients for other banana plants. The fruit is harvested while the bananas are still hard and green, to allow for the time it takes them to ripen. The bananas are sent to the packing house after harvesting. Foam is placed between the bunches of bananas to protect the fruits from bruising. The foam is reused, and the plastic bags are sent to be recycled.
Step 5. The bananas are cleaned. All fruits and vegetables need to be cleaned before shipping and eating. The farmers and workers hang the bananas onto a hook and use blue bags to separate each individual banana to wash the bananas thoroughly. It is like giving them a shower. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Splash, splash, splash. Very cool and refreshing. The bananas are happy that they are being cleaned by giving them water, as the sun is hot and dry.
The bananas are given a bath in large pools of water and are sprayed with citric acid to keep them fresh on their journey. Some will go to China, Japan, Russia, the US, and elsewhere.
Step 6. The bananas are packaged. The bananas are packed in a brown box. It is like their temporary home as they will travel to grocery stores waiting for you to take them home. Workers at the banana production will take careful packaging to make the bananas comfortable so the bananas will not get bruised or hurt.
Have you seen the stickers or labels on the bunches of bananas at the store? Here is someone putting those stickers on the bananas in Machala, Ecuador. The bananas are weighed and sorted.
Step 7. The bananas are shipped on a boat from Ecuador to San Diego. The bananas are inside the warm, dried box on a boat carrying them to San Diego, a city in California. Ecuador is a country in South America. That means it is far, far away from us. It will take days and nights in the sea, drifting and slowly coming to land. Finally, the boat is in the United States. A truck that carries food, such as bananas, will be waiting to bring the bananas to the grocery stores in Portland. Where do you go to buy bananas? The brown box that carries the sleeping bananas will then be moved from the boat onto the truck. Step 8. The bananas are shipped onto a truck from San Diego to the grocery stores in Portland. 9. The bananas arrive at the grocery store. At last, the bananas are finally free and out of the box. It is now sitting on a counter at the grocery store waiting for you to take them home. It takes 9 steps, 4,500 miles from Ecuador to Portland, Oregon, United States for bananas to get to your home. Farmers use a lot of hard work to grow and plant the bananas. After the bananas grow, the farmers need to look out for them in order for them to grow their very best. Looking great, banana! When the bananas are ready to be picked, it needs to be well taken care of before shipping them out to children, families, and to you. It may be easy for you to go to a grocery store and see a banana, but it takes many steps and hard work for farmers and workers to bring a delicious banana to you. That is why it is important to know where our food comes from and be grateful for every food that we eat.
Thank you to everyone who plants, picks, cleans, packages, and cares for the bananas along their journey to our homes. Anna, have you ever taken a bite of a banana before it was ripe?
No, I haven't. Have you?
I did when I was little. I took a bite of a green banana and it was really hard and not sweet like yellow bananas. It was not yummy.
Oh, I'm sure. Have any of you at home tried a banana before it was ripe?
A ripe banana will be soft and have a softer peel. Do you have bananas at home? Before you bite into a banana, gently squeeze the outside and feel if the peel is soft and just a little squishy. If you would like, peel the banana or have a grown-up help you to try a taste and see if you can describe it. Is it sweet?